Welcome guys as we do this question, and I read the question first. The question is concerning the stepper motor, and the details are step angle is 1.8, 50 steps per second, and the motor moves 1600 steps clockwise. Then the motor moves 900 steps anti-clockwise. Question: determine number of steps per revolution. Roman 2, number of steps per minute, and Roman 3, motor final angle from reference point. And so guys, now we come and do that question, having these details. And so the first question is, I write here, is number of steps per revolution. Per revolution. And so guys, for that, we are going to use the step angle. And the step angle, as we are told, is 1.8. So guys, for one single step, we make 1.8 degrees. So this is equivalent, 1.8 degrees is equivalent to one step. Guys, we know for one revolution, we have 360 degrees. And so therefore, guys, we just cross multiply to get the number of steps per revolution. And so we shall have 360. You multiply by 1 divided by 1.8. Guys, from calculation, this comes to 200. And so guys, we have 200 steps per revolution. So guys, that is our solution for Roman 1. Guys, we go to Roman 2. For Roman 2, we are talking about number of steps per minute. Number of steps per minute. For that, guys, we are going to say that 200 revs, we have 200 steps. Guys, this is for one revolution. But then guys, we are told that we make 50 steps for 1 second. As you can see, we have 50 steps for 1 second. And so guys, let's see how many steps we have for a single second. So before we go to that, we shall say 50 steps is for 1 second. Guys, in fact, we are now going to use this instead of that. So 50 steps is for 1 second. So what about 1 minute? 1 minute consists of 60 seconds. And so therefore we shall have 50 multiplied by 600. And therefore, guys, our solution is 3000 revs steps, that is steps per minute. So these are steps per minute. And so guys, we are done with that. And finally, guys, we are talking about, or the question is, final angle from reference point. Final angle from reference point. So guys, for this, we are going to approach it this way. We have 1600 steps clockwise. So let me just draw this here. This is the circle. So guys, our reference point is at this point. And now guys, we go now this way. That is 1600 steps. Guys, after we have gone that way, we'll go back again 900 steps. And so guys, for us to get the final, we'll say net. We talk about net angle. That is net angle. Net steps is actually net steps, because remember guys, we are going out loud this way, then we are going again anti-clockwise. So the net steps will be 1600 minus 900. Guys, this comes to 700. And remember guys, these are steps. These are steps. And so therefore guys, we shall have one step. We are saying one step is 1.8 degrees. So what about 700? This is now going to be 700 multiplied by 1.8 degrees. And therefore, guys, we shall have 1260 degrees as our net. That is as our angle. And now guys, we come back again to this. Remember, if we go loud once, we go 360. So guys, we can even find out how many 360s are here and what is the remainder. Because guys, the remainder is now going to be our final angle from the reference point. So we divide 1260 all over 360. And this, guys, when we do that, we shall indeed go loud 3 times. We shall have 3 times, and that's what I want to calculate here. 3, that is before we go past 1260. So that will be 360 multiplied by 3. This one we can get, that is 0, 18 carry 1, 1080. Guys, if we come and add another 360, we shall have gone past 1260. And so guys, now we calculate the remainder. The remainder is going to be 1260 minus 1080. Guys, when we get the remainder there, now we have 6. This is 8. It's actually 8. And here we have 1. Guys, we have 180 degrees. And how does that happen? Guys, we have seen we have 1260. And so guys, we go loud 360. We go loud another 360, another 360, 3 times, then we shall have 1080. Guys, the remaining now we shall take away from 1260. And that remaining now gives us 180. And so therefore this 180 will be found now at that point. So this is our 180 degrees from this reference point. Remember, we have gone loud 3 times, and those 3 times are the ones that gives us 1080. After we've gotten 1080, guys, we have now gone again 180. And therefore guys, our final angle from reference point is 180 degrees. And therefore guys, thank you for listening to me. Bye.